The purpose of this video is to show you how to build a custom report using the grid layout like this example site inspection checklist. The grid layout is 4 columns wide, and tests can be managed for each of these columns. The 5th column is used to write inline notes. Now let's go through the steps to build a new Flex report. This feature is only available to system administrators. From the home screen, click on the Flex Reports templates under the Report section. Click Add Template and enter a template name. Mark the template active, lock or unlock the template. Unlocking the template will allow users to modify the template at a specific system. Enter an optional disclaimer to show at the bottom of this report. And then select the security settings for this report template. For example, selecting the service report security setting will allow any user who can create a service report to be able to create a site inspection report. Click Next to proceed. Select the grid layout, then click Next. Toggle the buttons on and off if you would like to show report number, drive time, on-site time, or enable inventory. Click Save to save the template. A column header needs to be added to the master list of headers before it can be inserted into a layout. The Manage Headers button allows users to create new column headers. Click on Manage Headers. All headers listed on this page are available to add to a Flex Report grid layout. To add a new header, click Add Header, enter header name. Mark header active and click Save. Now let's build the report layout. Locate the template and click on Manage Layout. Start building the layout by adding columns and row headers. Click on Insert Header to add a new column. Choose from the list of available column headers. This list is managed by the system administrator, similar to the test type list. Next, click Insert Test to add a new test row. This list is pulled from the test type list. With the columns and row headers in place, click on the cell where you would like to create a test. Click Add, then select the desired range type. Enter the required information, then click Save and Close. Once you have a report layout in place, you can edit, hide, or delete tests by clicking in the cell. Right-click in the row or column header to deactivate or rename the header. You can give the header a custom name without affecting the name created on the master list. You can also right-click to copy a test or column header. Click on the squares to reorder the rows and columns. When the report is complete, click Save and Exit. Once the Flex template is created, you can activate this new report template at any location under the client. Select the customer, facility, building, and system. Under the Report section, click on Setup Report and select Flex Reports. Click Inactive Hidden button to show all available templates, and activate the template you would like to use under the system. Click Back, now you are ready to create a new Flex report. Under the Report section, click on Create Report, select Flex Report, and select the desired Flex report.